Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate an Google Gemini API key, which we are going to use in the different application, like a Spring Boot application and wherever you are going to use that Google Gemini LLM. So we are going to do that specific stuff. So first what we have to do is we have to open any of your browser and you have to simply type Google Gemini API and hit enter. Then you will see one aistudio.google.com and over here you will see Google Gemini API. So quickly click on this one. And if you are routing over here for the first time, you might get some of this stuff like to accept the terms and conditions and those all stuff. Like first thing, you have to make sure that you are already signed in your browser. So if I go back, you can see I'm already signed in with one of my Gmail. Let's quickly move forward. And over here we see the button get started. When we click on this time I'm not getting anything to accept because I have already accepted those all the stuff. Okay, so over here you will see something in some interface like this. First thing what you have to do over here is in this one you have to click on this get API key. On the bottom you will see it. Click on this one and over here you will see there is nothing. But over here we have one option of projects. So first thing what you have to do is we have to create a project. Either you can directly jump over here and you can create a new project from here as well. Or what you can do is quickly go over here, create API key. Over here, I'm going to give it a name that is dummy video key. And let's copy this one. And over here, it's asking us to choose an imported project. So we don't have any project. So over here we have an option to create a project. So click on this one. I'm going to give it a video project like this one and create project. It's creating project. Now here you can see this new project is created. Now by default this one is selected. Let me quickly cancel this. I will not generate the key for now. Go to project and here you can see this. The project is created over here. Now click on this one, give it any name like project name. If I'm going to add it in a Netflix clone, so I will give it a Netflix clone just for the segregation purpose so that you can differentiate in the billing. So but we are going to use the free version, so that's fine. So I've added this dummy video project and generate or create key. It's created a new key and over here you can see this setup billing. I haven't did any setup for this. I'm using the free tier. Over here in this one you will get a limited users. Over here when you click on this copy API key, it will copy a specific key. So I have copied the key. If you want I can show you that key as well. So if I paste it here you can see this is the key which is generated. So don't try to copy this one because anyway I'm going to delete that specific stuff, so it won't work for you. So as we have seen, now everything is set up, and if you want to change it, so delete and recreate in the same way so that you can use in the project. So that's all for this video guys. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.